In this video, I'll show you how to check if your Instagram account has been hacked or if someone else has logged in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go directly to your profile page. On your profile, tap the menu, 3 lines, in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Accounts Center. Next, tap on Password and Security. Now choose where you're logged in. Select your Instagram account to continue. Here, you will see a full list of all devices currently logged into your account. Carefully review this list and check for any devices or locations you don't recognize. If you find a suspicious device, tap on Select Devices to log out. Then select Suspicious Device, tap Logout. This will immediately remove that device's access to your account. That's it. This is the quickest way to check if your Instagram account is being accessed by someone else and to protect your account from hackers.